So friend, hello and welcome back to my channel. As if there was any doubt about the leaked details of Samsung's upcoming foldable phones, a new leak has emerged showcasing the product listing pages at an online retail website. The listing contains details about the specs, ensuring that no doubt remains in our mind about the new foldable device. And posted on X, these listings reveals what we already know, that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has larger display, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset under the hood with 12 GB of RAM and a 4400 mAh battery. The handset has triple camera setup and runs Android 16 out of the box. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 also gets a display upgrade, runs on Exynos 2500 chipset with 12 GB of RAM and has a dual camera setup. It also comes with Android 16 pre-installed, and the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE specs are detailed as well, though the listing mentions an Exynos 2500 chipset, which may have been a placeholder, as it's confirmed that the handset runs on Exynos 2400. And we are just a couple of days away from the official launch of the new foldable phones, and Samsung will unveil them at its Unpacked event on July 9 in New York City. The company will also unveil its new wearable devices at the event, so it's going to be packed full of goodies. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.